Wala pang treatment for the jelly. Ito yung na-treat.
Hi loves! Come with me to have my slimming treatment for my arms, tummy, and back here at Love Me Aesthetics Beauty Studio in Baguio City. So I decided to try their Exilis treatment for fat reduction and skin tightening to treat the stubborn fats in my body na hindi madaling i-workout. And since I was on vacation, syempre I really don't have time to go to the gym kaya pinush ko na to guys. And before we begin with the procedure, kinuhaan muna ako ni Miss Nicole ng photos and measurements of the targeted area para ma-differentiate ko later yung results. She also explained to me how the Exilis treatment works and what should be expected. Nakakatunaw daw ito ng fats and can smoothen and tighten the skin. Tapos, nag-apply na siya ng gel sa braso ko to start with the treatment. Yung process pala nito guys, parang hinihilot ka lang. May onting init na feeling but still bearable naman siya and may prickling feeling yung parang maliliit na kuryente na some area mo lang mararamdaman. And as a person na mababang pain tolerance, in fairness, hindi naman ako nasaktan no or nakaramdam ng discomfort kasi gentle at careful si Miss Nicole sa pag-handle ng device. And she is also super sweet na she makes sure na okay lang ako and kept asking about how I'm feeling. And later on, nakatulog na ako sa sobrang komportable and sarap sa feeling ng procedure. And next, tummy area naman. Sinabi ko rin kay Miss Nicole na kung pwede mag-focus siya sa sides or waist since wala ko ganong curve. Nag-focus din naman siya sa bilbil ko. And last is sa likod ko naman kasi tabayin talaga yung likod ko, lalo na yung upper area. And habang tinitreat yung back fat ko, tuluyang nakatulog na ako sa sarap ng feeling na parang minamasahe ka talaga. Super happy ako sa procedure guys dahil sa nabawasan na nga yung stubborn fats ko, nakapag-relax talaga ako and super nag-enjoy sa procedure. And as you can see, may makikita ka talagang results after the treatment. Pero sabi nga, mas makikita yung big difference after few days, sabayan na rin ng tamang pag-alaga sa sarili with proper diet, sleep, and exercise. And that's it for my self-care day. If you guys want to know more, don't hesitate to message them at Love Me Aesthetics. And thank you so much for watching. See you soon.